What's going on, you guys? Welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning, where I post helpful yet entertaining video weekly. In today's episode, we are going to work on the Golf R. The Golf R now is on the lift, and guys, we are going to be installing something, and I don't want to ruin the surprises here, but stay tuned. Today we are installing the Alltrack belly pan. It is a carbon Kevlar layered belly pan that's really super solid and possibly bulletproof in that sense. So anyways, guys, here are the hardware that came with it from factory, from VW there. There's an OEM Alltrack belly pan. So there's those two braces. We'll see how we can install that, or if we even need to install it. That's the thing that I wanted to do today, if we truly need to install that or not. And all the hardwares it needs basically are bolts and the other bolt that holds the belly pan on the car. So I'm not sure exactly where those bolt goes, but anyways, we'll figure that out. Anyways, we'll see how this is going to turn out. Mainly, I wanted to protect the Golf R underbelly, so that way, you know, we don't get any damage or anything underneath, especially the let me just flip the camera over here. So basically, I want to make sure that we don't have any problem in there. I've already taken the belly pan that came with the car, fairly easy. There is a couple of T25s in here, or possibly 30, I can't remember now. And it hooks up to this latch here, and then a few more T20s on this side as well, as you guys can see. So anyways, it's already off now. Technically, we're free to install the belly pan over there. And so, yeah, we'll see. At the same time, I'm thinking about one thing here, guys. It's probably unconventional thing. I don't think I need to truly install those braces, to be honest with you. I mean, it is heavier than that one there, but ultimately it has this hook up here, which is sturdy enough, and maybe find a way to bolt it in here at some point. And it has all those T20s as well, holding it up on this side, and solidly enough, those three bolts right here. So we'll see how it goes. We'll install it and see what happens. Alright guys, here's our final product. As you can see, the Alltrack belly pan splash guard is now installed on the Golf R. Looking nice. I'm excited to see this hole underneath, sealed up pretty much and protected. Obviously, we can get a little bit of some aero sealing in that case. Given that we have a splitter on the front, it does help from some aero there a little bit, that's for sure. And to keep our engine bay clean from getting splashed on from the bottom. So yeah, it's pretty neat, pretty awesome install. It's pretty sturdy. Bolt on 3 big bolts in the back, and then basically utilize the same spots of T30s on both sides. And then there's the hookup on here for the clip, and another clip over here. It's really solid, guys. It doesn't move at all. I mean, this is solid. And we definitely saved some weight for not installing this additional hardware in here that you truly don't need unless you're actually off-roading your car. Technically, I'm just utilizing the same hookup points that the original one came with, and that yeah, it works just fine. You don't need to truly install the whole thing. It's pretty sturdy, as you guys can see. I mean, it's barely moving. It's definitely solid. It's not going anywhere with all the bolts. T30s here, another T30s here, and this clip on this and here. No bolt on the middle, but that's fine. And I could probably do a retrofit at some point and maybe put a brace inside here to basically screw one in there to kind of give an additional support. But other than that, I don't think you need anything else. It's not moving anywhere. It's fairly solid, like I said. So pretty happy with this. You still have your DSG vent on the front right there. Looking very nice. Looking very nice. Seiko just came in. So anyhow, guys, can't wait to drive this car around. I mean, I don't drive it in the winter time, but obviously it will protect my belly pan there for sure, my oil pan. So it'll be awesome.